Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jaguar F-Type and the BMW M3. The F-Type, a sleek sports car, boasts a powerful engine range, including a supercharged V8, delivering thrilling acceleration and a distinctive exhaust note. In contrast, the M3, a high-performance sedan, is renowned for its precise handling and track-focused engineering. Both cars offer exhilarating drives, but they cater to different preferences in terms of style and primary use. When it comes to driving dynamics, the F-Type delivers a more traditional sports car feel, with a firm ride and direct feedback, making every turn exciting. The M3, however, offers a broader range of driving modes, allowing it to transform from a comfortable daily driver to a track-ready machine. Inside, the F-Type's cockpit is snug and driver-centric, whereas the M3 provides a more spacious and technologically advanced cabin for both driver and passengers. For daily practicality, the BMW M3 clearly has an advantage with its four-door configuration and a functional rear seat, making it suitable for carrying passengers or extra gear. The Jaguar F-Type, being a two-seater, offers less cargo capacity, making it more of a weekend toy than a family hauler. Considering costs, both vehicles represent a significant investment, but factors like insurance, maintenance, and fuel efficiency will influence the overall ownership experience. Ultimately, your choice between the Jaguar F-Type and the BMW M3 depends on your priorities. If you crave a dedicated sports car with a captivating design and an exhilarating exhaust note, the F-Type is an excellent choice. However, if you need a high-performance vehicle that seamlessly blends track capability with the practicality of a daily driver, the M3 is the superior option. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.